Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So today I'll be discussing about one of the error which generally occurs in most of the design and analysis of Staadpro. So I'll be discussing about that error, that is how to rectify that error. So first of all, let me open Staad. See, this is the this is the configuration part which I have made. That is, I have uh, fully completed the 3D view of the rectangular water tank. So in my last step, when I need to do the analyze and print, simply click on add it. Then after going to the analyze, run analyze, okay, save it. I have done everything, but still there are two errors, and let me view those errors output files. Okay, see, the error came as error in support input, or there is no support input, analysis will not run. If this kind of errors occurs, that is error in support input. So if this error comes, then what you have to do is you have to simply go to the editor. Then in the Stead editor you have to check, see here, as you can see here, the supports are added on the last part, that is here. You have to simply click on cut all these supports, and you have to delete all this part, perform analysis part. Okay, perform analysis part, delete it. Now those supports which you have cut, those supports, those you have to place it after the, let me check where I have to place it. Yeah, end define materials. After the end define materials, you have to simply paste those supports. Okay, that is the only change you have to do it. After that you have to save that stat editor file and close it. Now again go to analyze and print, that is here, and click on add, close it. Now again do the analysis, save it. Now let me do the analysis if any occurs, comes or not. See, as you can see here, now there is no error as well as no warning. No, now you can simply go to the post processing file, done. Okay, so this is how we can rectify the error in Staadpro. I hope it's clear to all of you that how to rectify the error in Staadpro by simply going to the Stad editor. So if there is any doubt or any kind of other errors, just you can comment me in my comment section so that I can help you regarding that. So I hope it's clear to all of you. So thanks for watching my video.